It's hard to know where I have to put it down.
Let me Yeah!
Hi guys!
Hi!
My name is Cara. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris.
And I'm Eleanor. I'm also a makeup artist.
And we are here today for a beauty challenge.
The no mirror makeup challenge. I've never done this.
I haven't either. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be something. So how about we check out the look that we're gonna have to recreate? Okay.
Yeah, so the full glam look.
Let's do it.
I think I'm gonna start with the eyes. I thought about something this, because you know, smart. Okay, oh God, it's not gonna be even. I guess it's okay. You're gonna do one eye and then the other?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do both at the same time because I'm dangerous like that. Oh, it's very uncomfortable.
Yeah, that's why one eye at a time.
Oh, you were right.
Yeah. I think you should take one off.
Too late, I'm engaged in this.
We're testing things out today.
You know, yeah. Oh no, I'm sure it's not blended out correctly.
Obviously not.
I guess we're gonna do it like that.
Oh my God. I already feel like it's gonna look horrendous. Like I honestly have no clue how much product I have on, how ridiculous it looks.
Oh no, it's great!
Oh really?
Yeah!
Okay.
You didn't say anything about me. What does it say?
Well, you just started with the black. Continue.
Alright,
We'll see how it evolves. It's hard to know where I have to put it down.
Let me Yeah!
I ruined everything?
I guess it's kind of funny now. It helps having you by my side.
Yeah, we can be each other's mirror like that.
Yeah.
It's pretty handy.
I'm gonna try the liner now. I'm just gonna do it in one go. Alright, let's do it.
It's going everywhere on your lid.
Oh no! I ruined everything right now.
We each do one of each other's eyeliner like that. So we close our eyes and we kind of do it to the other one. What do you think?
Oh no. Wait, where's your face? Alright. I don't even... Oh, that's so hard!
You did it on my forehead!
I did it on your forehead. Oh no! It's kind of a look, you know?
Oh, it's a new thing. It's a new thing. My turn. It's my revenge time.
I swear to you, I tried my best.
I felt it. Honestly, I felt it. Okay. Am I touching you right now?
I think you did it on my eyebrows. Is it on my eyebrows?
Oh God. I really put everything in my eye.
Oh yeah, no, you have...
I have pink eye.
You're blind.
Ooh, I like the color. Looks nice.
Thank you. I'll give you the reference later.
Sure. Thank you.
Oh no, it's a competition. I have to be mean to you.
Yeah, but at the end, we're still friends.
I guess.
Depends who wins. Same thing with blush, a bit of a darker color, and then go blend with a lighter one. I'm giving advice, and people are gonna be looking at this video, looking how horrendous we look, and be like, should you really be giving us advice? I promise I look better normally, okay?
Does she? Alright, mascara part.
What?
Okay, I guess that's gonna be it.
I thought you would do way worse, honestly.
Oh my god, I think we're done after this.
Are we done?
I guess we are.
Okay. Are you ready for the reveal?
Ta-da!
Amazing.
Amazing, I look exactly like this.
Twins.
Ta-da! You can say it, she look awful.
You're so mean today. God. I'm sure I look amazing.
You do, no you do, you look amazing. Okay, on three, alright?
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Oh, it's fine. I guess it's fine. I didn't do such a terrible job.
Honey, it became like an eyeshadow. It's not an eyeliner, it's an eyeshadow now on the other eye.
I'm sorry, but oh my god, the lips are awful. I guess it's okay.
No, honestly,
it's not that bad. Well, high five myself.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Seriously?
I really tried my
But
best.
actually, it's kind of a vibe. It's not that bad.
It's great. I think it's great. You did a really fantastic job. Who did it better? I don't know.
I hope that you're gonna recreate this at home. If you do tag us on your pictures, tag Beauty Studio, and no cheating, okay? No mirrors at all.
Bye.
Bye.